So here is what my hubby is having for dinner tonight. I made him some of these croissant rolls from Pillsbury. So I made him those. There's the sidekicks in there. It's got like corn, forget what it's called, but it's the sidekicks. And he loves Spam. So let me know if any of you out there love Spam. And then also he's going to have coleslaw, and I'm going to plate it up for you all. So here it is, plated up. I just need to make a correction. My husband doesn't love it, he likes it. He likes maybe once a year or something like that. Anyways, this is what he's having for dinner tonight. Oh my gosh, my pizza boy is here. Let's see who's at the door.
Pizza boy.
Pizza. Oh, come on in. Thank you. You brought home your pizza?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Woohoo, let's go see what it is. What?
Do I get to stay?
I ordered a little Caesars, 3 meat, fast and ready. You pick it up. As you saw, the pizza boy delivering it, and I invited him in. And here, looks good. Feel free to have a piece.
That's all I want. Thanks.
Yum, yum, yum. 3 meat pizza from Little Caesars. Let me know what kind of pizza you guys enjoy and from where. Love to hear.
Wow. Pizza boy's here.
Thank you.
Hello.
So I'm making Mr. Noodles, and I like the spicy chicken. And sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I just feel like, my husband and I feel like we don't always have to have like a huge big supper. We do a majority of the time, I guess, but tonight we just want this Mr. Noodles, something quick and easy and nothing too huge. And he likes my husband doesn't like spicy, so he likes the Mr. Noodles in the beef. And we realize this isn't healthy for you, but sometimes you just want something easy and quick and nothing too heavy. So I am boiling the water. So like I said, I'm having the Mr. Noodles, the spicy chicken, and I've got my noodles in there boiling away. And then this is what it comes with, like the sauce or the powder, whatever you want to say. That's what it looks like there. So, and like I said, my husband likes the beef one. But right now I'm just doing mine, so. And here's what it looks like. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. And feel free to, if you'd like to put more with it, you could have a bun or pair it with a salad, something like that. Whatever you'd like. And they have other kinds, as most of you probably already know, like Mr. Noodles have been around for a long time. If you like Mr. Noodles, let me know down below which one is your favorite kind. I'd love to hear. Stir fry is what we're having for dinner tonight, and instead of just white rice tonight, I just used Uncle Ben's, the cheddar and broccoli. Looks like this. So I'm going to try that. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Oh, it's Saturday night and I'm making poutine. What a Canadian thing to do. How I wish you all could try some. I wish you could try some of my poutine. I wish you could try some of my poutine. I'm in an awful way. I wish you could try some of my poutine. Poutine! Woo! And here's some cheesy goodness, and I realize poutine is, the reason why you have poutine is because of the cheese curd. This is not cheese curd, this is just plain old cheddar cheese, but it's good. But feel free to use cheese curd if you have it, because it's really good with the cheese curd as well. So here is my hubby's. I just did ground beef and a brown gravy for him. I left it on the sheet, the baking sheet. He doesn't mind. We'll just eat it off of there. So that's what I made for him, the brown gravy. And like I said, yes, you're supposed to use curd. And then here's mine with the cheese sauce and some chicken and a little bit of ground beef. And I'm probably going to put a little bit of hot sauce and maybe sour cream to make kind of like a chili cheese sort of. Well, there's no chili in it, but you know, a cheese fries kind of thing. So those are the two of them there. Yum, yum, yum. I also have some broccoli chopped up, just raw broccoli with some Caesar dressing. I like to dip it in, you know, to get some vegetables. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Thank you for joining us. Hope it gives you some ideas, and hope you're all doing well. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo, and happy eating.